Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to add swipe up link on Instagram. So first of all, let's start by opening our Instagram. Alright, and here let's create our new story, and we're gonna choose the picture or the video that we want to choose. Okay, let's say for example I'm gonna choose, let's say, this picture. Alright, you will see a capital A and small a, and next to it you're gonna see a sticker. I'm gonna just click on the sticker and I'm gonna search for link. I have to bring to your attention that this link only works for clicking. You don't have to swipe up or anything like Snapchat does mostly. So you just have to add like youtube.com, okay, .com/ and you're gonna add the video link that you copied. Okay, so for the sake of the video, I'm gonna just add a random video link. Okay, so you don't have actually to swipe up or swipe left or right in order to open the link. You can just simply add the link right here, and you're gonna just add it to your stories, and everyone who watches your stories will be able to just click the link and they will direct them to the YouTube. Alright, turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.